Technology has become an essential part of our daily lives. At IXS, we understand how important it is to keep everything running smoothly at all times. So as part of our commitment to delivering better support to our customers, IXS Commercial Inc. proudly brings you IXS QRCare, a comprehensive post-sales support program designed to simplify asset management and ensure seamless service. IXS QRCare is powered by Revenue's technology, ensuring that your assets are always well maintained and any issues are resolved quickly. Every product you purchase from IXS now comes with a unique QR code. With the Revenue app, simply scan the code to instantly access all the information about your asset: model, serial number, date of purchase, warranty, and more. All the important details of your assets are available right at your fingertips. Need to request maintenance or repair? Just open the Revenue app, scan the QR code, and request service in seconds. It's that simple. No more missed warranties, no more hassle. Just quick and easy support right when you need it. Experience seamless asset management and support with IXS QRCare. Ready to experience hassle-free asset management? Visit www.ixsinc.website to learn more.